Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. The registration has just started for NEET PG 2022 examination on the platform of netboard.edu.in. So I will describe you how you can do the registration and uh, what all those things you need to have ready and what things you need to take care, because right now there are candidates who face the problem. Those candidates have done the mistake, so you can get the benefit of learning from others mistake. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and you are aspirant of NEET PG 2022, you can subscribe this channel. You must be aware about NEET Mentor is a platform for all NEET PG 2021 and 2022 counseling process and guidance. So you can subscribe it. It will be beneficial for you because we will keep publishing all the important relevant updates. So in order to do the registration, you need to visit our netboard.edu.in. You need to scroll down. On the left side under the quick links you will find NEET PG 2022 new. You need to click on it. Once you click, it will take you to the next page where you can find the steps for NEET PG 2022 manual for online application form. That you should read it first. It's a very important process. You should not do any mistake, and that mistake will be you have to pay very heavily at the time of counseling. Image uploadation is the next step. Then you can download here the information bulletin, English and Hindi in both languages, and key dates means important dates. The registration is starting from 15th of Jan around 3 p.m. and it will go on until 4th of Feb. It's important to do the registration and get the seats means examination center blocked for you in your preferred cities, because at the time progress it won't be available, the seats won't be available in your preferred cities. Okay, and new registration applicant login. New registration is the button where you need to click in order to do the fresh registration. Okay, so once you click on new registration, you will able to see, you can see this pop-up on the screen, and it's a declaration. You can select I am applicant or I am agent. So you need to select I am applicant. Once you select I am applicant, now you can see a pop-up. You can do on laptop for better experience, and they have recommended some recommendable browsers, Internet Explorer version 11 plus. These versions are very important because some things wouldn't work in older browser or which is not supported. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, these are the latest browser stacks. Now instruction and important links, you should read it. Those fields which are having a strict mark are mandatory. Step 1 is user registration, and you need to obtain application ID and password. Okay, that will be obtained between 15th of Jan up to 4th of February. User ID and password will be sent over SMS and email. You need to make sure that you use those email and mobile number which you should be able to carry for next 1 year until your admission is done, because the same mobile number will be asked and the OTP will be sent on the same mobile number. After you write the exam, you get the result and you go for the counseling process. It's for all India or state. You need to have that mobile number active. Then in step 2 you have to do the applicant registration. You need to complete it within the time frame, and the applicant registration you need to upload your photograph, signature, thumb impression and other prescribed documents in the particular format. You have to choose your test city, which is very important. You delay it, the chances of getting test city within your state will be reduced, and then you have to pay the fee, that is 4,000 something, and then you need to take the printout. Edit window is the window that will be opening from 8th of February to 11th of February. During this duration, for any kind of edit that you want in some fields. Okay, and there are fields which won't be editable, so please don't do any kind of mistake in name, any kind of spelling mistake in email or email id, nationality and test city. These 4 fields won't be editable because they are having no freedom to edit all those fields. Now you need to close that pop-up. Here you can see what are the details you need to put in registration details. Candidate name, you need to put your full name matching with the certificate, and your full name again, confirmation, date of birth as per the certificate. Don't assume anything and don't give anything apart from the certificate. You need to put your gender. There are 3 options given: male, female and transgender. So they have added the option for transgender also, so it's all as per the rules. Nationality, you need to make sure that you put it proper nationality. If you are India, if you have Indian nationality, you have the Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport or voter ID card, then we put Indian nationality. If you're coming from OCI, overseas citizen of India or NRI, you can put other. The mobile number is very important because it won't be changed later. If you try to change, it will be problematic. Alternate mobile number also you can give. There is a note: please give your own email address as we may contact you in the future for sharing important communications. So any update you get, any kind of request you raised, or any change related to test city or anything, it will be communicated through email address. So you have to make sure that you give your email address. Even you are reaching at a cyber cafe to get your application form filled, you make sure that you provide all the details and don't allow them to give their details. They might close their shop and you won't be having the email address or their phone number. It will be problematic to you. And you need to generate OTP. Few candidates have already started doing registration and received kind of feedback from them that they didn't get the OTP. So you need to do it on off hour, okay, because the candidates are doing choice filling also. So the server will be extra busy, and once you get it on your SMS, then you have to proceed with the next step. And you can select here the checkbox and enter the captcha, and then you need to submit. Then you can go for other details and upload a photograph, signature, thumb impression and other details in the specified format. Then you can select your test city center, and you can complete it. And you need to have a screenshot, and then you have done your job to do the registration for NEET PG 2022. It's the right time to do registration because you can select the test city based on your preference. Later on you might have to struggle for the test city, and you might need to travel a lot, and during COVID time it will be a kind of extra challenge. And on the day of examination, if you have to struggle with logistics, then it might impact your examination also. So put your desired place and examination center nearby your location, so that you don't need to spend so much of effort and focus. Don't get defocused on traveling and all other steps. So this way you can proceed. If you find any kind of issue, you can comment us in the comment section. You can also send us WhatsApp messages on the number 9319128677, and it's available in the description also. So thanks for watching and have a great day. We will keep you updating any update related to NEET PG 2022. So thanks for watching again.